Today we're going to be discussing Amazon's new placement fee and some potential workarounds of what you can do to avoid yourself the additional expense. Now, I did see a couple videos on this recently where someone basically said to essentially go over to settings and go to Fulfillment by Amazon and then go to the automated inbound settings, so the inbound settings, and essentially just change this setting right here where it says Amazon optimized shipment splits. I'm not going to go through this whole back and forth. I tried it, it actually doesn't work at all. So today I'm going to show you the right way to do it, or at this moment, the right way to do it of what's actually working. So what you want to do is you want to go to inventory, you want to go to manage inventory, and today we're going to do a normal shipment like we normally would. So we're going to pick this product right here. Okay. Actually, we're just doing one product, so you don't have to click here. You could just click right here, okay? And what we're going to do is we are going to send and replenish inventory. And when you go ahead and send and replenish inventory, this is what happens. Let's say you do one box, right? So this is a case pack template we're using now. So let's say carton 33 units. Okay, so one box equals 33 units. Okay, confirm the shipment. Okay, and you see here with one shipment, okay, placement is $7.59 to go to the East Coast, Central, West, right? Now, that would mean $6.52 plus $7.59. So you see right here, $7.59, $6.52, $14.11. A large portion of the shipment here is for placement fees. So I'm going to show you how to try some different things to see what happens. So let's try with 4 boxes. Say we're going to send in 4 boxes. So now what you'll see here is with 3 shipments, if you want 3 individual shipments, here's your placement fees. If you do 1 shipment, here's your placement fees. Or you can go here with 4 shipments with no placement fees, okay? So if you see here, let's say you go with this option here, 1 shipment, it ends up being $30.36. Hold on a second here as that fills in, plus $26, so $56.44. Okay, that's what 1 shipment. With 3 shipments, it ends up being $58.48 and $58.47, I'm sorry. And with 4 shipments with no placement fees, it's $38.82. So there you go, guys. That's a great way to save some money. Now, the issue with this is, yes, this works. So in this instance, doing 4 shipments completely got rid of the placement fee, but you might not necessarily need all these units in your Amazon inventory. So one thing you could potentially do is send these shipments out one at a time, because essentially they're 4 different shipments, and trickle them out so you're not overstocking your inventory. However, you should be careful with this. You shouldn't wait too long to send these shipments out because you could get hit on other issues with your inbound inventory. So that's something you're just gonna have to balance with your inventory overall. So guys, I hope this resolves the issue for you. I'm not saying this will work forever, but at this exact moment, this is what's resolving the Amazon shipment placement fee issue. Now, if you guys are curious about how to do the complete shipping plan and how to actually send in Amazon FBA inventory, check out this video right here.